Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. What's going on YouTube? We are back at it again. We got our new camera going this time around. We're going to see how that bad boy works out. I'm really excited about this thing. I definitely want to apologize to you guys. I know it's been 2 weeks since we had a video up, but we had some stuff going on in the garage, and also I got hurt there and had to take care of some things. But anyways, we got our camera situation fixed, I hope. So we're going to try it. I hope the picture quality is doing a whole lot better for you guys. But this weekend we got several things we gotta fix and we gotta do so we can get back on the floor pans on the car here. So what's going on is we had a jig fixture that was still connected to the bottom side of the car, and that fixture was getting in my way, and I was hoping I was going to be able to keep it on there for a little bit longer. But we end up having to finish up the front end of the car, meaning the Zeus fasteners and everything on the sides of the fenders had to be mounted in and pretty much welded in completely before I could take that jig out. So right now what we're about to do, we are going to finish welding all those mounts that we created for the front end, and then after that we should be able to take the jig out and then get back on the floor pans. But there's going to be a lot of welding today. I'm going to show you guys a lot of brackets that I had to make, and I apologize I don't have footage of actually making those brackets, but you'll have some footage of us welding it up. But enough of this talking, let's get after it. Alright guys, I'll show you a little bit of what we're doing here. You can see a little bit, I hope you can see a little bit there of welds I'm putting in. I cannot get to all of it, but I can get to most of it. So I'm just trying to fill in most of the areas as I can before I take this thing apart. Same thing over here, get to as much as I can. There's several other little support pieces down in there. You guys can see those, like this one right here, that's a support. I'm going to get in there and try to weld it up the best I can. And the same thing on the other side. And then I'll bring you on down here. Hope you can make it out here. Alright, here's this bottom piece right here. We're going to try to get as many welds on it as possible. And here's some more. And then it gets on into the side of the fender there. So we're going to try to get as much in there as we can.
Sunday grad street. This car here will be a turn car build that we're going to do.
Alright guys, we are finishing up welding on our mounts here for our front end. These are the plates for the Zeus fasteners. We've been doing a bunch of TIG welding on it, trying to get everything welded up before we put this side back on. We're getting really close on these areas here. This whole big area here will get covered up with sheet metal. Just right now I had to beef up all the mounts and all the mounting area for the front end. So this area is getting wrapped up on that step right there. We're going to come up in here and we're going to start welding up all these pieces and finishing welding on them. And we're just going to do one side at a time and keep on rocking and rolling here.
make that one solid.
Right. I'll be real happy about that.
Yeah, man.
You might want to grab it in the center because it's definitely about to come out. Got one more screw that'll be
This
out.
brace right here is all welded up, man.
Yeah. Well, I've got weld the bottom of it.
I can grab it, can I?
Almost. See this one?
No, I mean this brace.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You can grab it. Just a second. Alright, just let go of it, I got it. Alright, you're good. Hold up on it. It's alright. Oh, you're good.
Good.
Yep, you're good.
Alright guys, we're over here on the passenger side. We've got to finish welding up our mounts here for our fenders. We're going to do some welding here, and we also got to finish doing some welding up here on the front. But these pieces are coming along really nice there, and we are rocking and rolling. Alright guys, me and Jesse are back at it again. He's getting ready to cut some pieces off for me. We're having problems with getting the fender off on the car there. It's hitting the back side of our mounts, and there's one of our mounting holes right there for the Zeus fasteners. So he's just going to go in here, and he's going to cut this sliver out right here, and then he's going to take a grinder and smooth all that in for us so we can take the panels off real easy without them catching or anything like that. Alright guys, we're welding up one of the final pieces for tonight. This is the top mounting piece for the grill. This piece, I just had some tacks on it. You'd seen it kind of at the beginning there, we was tacking on it, but now it's time to finish welding it up, and I'll put us some real pretty welds on there, and I'm excited about finally welding this thing up and getting it back in there. Alright, let's get after it. Alright, there we go. Got those welds on there. They're looking pretty nice. All those turned out pretty good. I had my tungsten got away from me there on one of the welds, so I had to swap it out, so that's what the hiccup was there. But the rest of them turned out pretty good there. We're going to flip the part over, finish the weld up here on this end, and also on the other end, we've got to finish it up there too. So we're just going to flop it over, get that weld finished up, and that piece is wrapped up and ready to go back on. We're moving right along. Oh hey guys, well, we just got the jig out from underneath the front of the car. Feeling pretty good about that. This thing's been under there for a while now, and felt pretty good finally getting to cut it out and seeing the front end held up on its own. So front end's looking good. Really excited about that. Now we can get back underneath the car there on the floor pans. Hopefully on the next YouTube video you guys will see us get back on it. But really happy with this weekend. Jesse helped out a bunch. Hannah, she helped out a bunch. We all been really rocking and rolling and going after it pretty hard. But I definitely want to thank you guys for staying tuned. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Keep leaving us some comments, keep hitting the like button, and don't forget, keep us sharing. Until next time, you guys have a good one.